Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Finally, I am doing a long, way overdue video on how I apply false lashes. I give you guys tons and tons of tips, so make sure you listen to it all, don't skip through, and I will see you guys at the end. I'm currently filming this look, but I wanted to do this as a separate video because you guys have been begging me for it. It's literally one of my most requested videos. So I'm just gonna go ahead and talk about it while I'm doing this right now. That way we can just get it out of the way. So, lashes. How to apply false lashes. One of the most important things you can do is pick the right lash. You have to get a right lash for your face. Something that works well with your eye shape. Sometimes you might have to cut the lashes. So a couple of tips. When you are getting lashes, these are the lashes that I'm going to use today. These are 3D lashes, 3D volumes. So for me, I personally like when my lashes have a little bit of a layer to them. So I don't know if you can tell with these. I'll do a close-up for you guys to see. But you can see that this has hairs long and short, like real natural lashes. That just kind of like layer on top of each other, kind of like that almost. That way when you put it onto your eye, it looks very natural. Picking something good like this is definitely a must. I really like Kiss lashes, Ardell lashes, these lashes, Elite lashes. You could find all of these lashes at your beauty supply store, but try to find this one if you can. You can definitely reuse, especially lashes that have a thicker band. You can reuse them up to like 10 times depending on how well you take care of them. The really cheap lashes that have like one little tiny band, you may want to throw those out. But the thicker bands, you can definitely take the glue off and use it again. Perfectly fine. The next thing I want to talk about is glue. So this is the glue that is one of my favorites. This is this Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe. It's formaldehyde-free, latex-free, and it's a clear. I love this one so much. It's the one with the little aloe green leaf right at the corner. They have tons of different glues out there. Honestly, it's really just trial and error. So right now I'm gonna share with you guys a few tips and tricks on how to apply the lashes. I'm sure you guys know about lashes, you just don't know how to apply them. One of my main tips is, there's two big main things when applying lashes. Two main things that you cannot compromise whatsoever. Drying time for your glue and looking down into a mirror. Those are the top two things when applying your lashes. It's gonna change your whole lash game. I've had this here sitting for like about a minute, 2 minutes. You don't need to do it that long, probably a minute. This has a very thick band, so I put on a thick coat of glue. Don't be shy with your glue. Just make sure it's right on top of the band. Don't be shy and let it sit for a minute. Don't just immediately put it on. You don't wanna do that. The glue is wet, it's not gonna stick to your eye may be runny, it may run off, and like your eye makeup is gonna get messed up, it's just gonna be a hot mess. You want it to be as tacky as possible, so let that shit dry, girl. So then the next thing that you wanna do is, and I'll show you, get yourself a mirror. I have this big stand-up mirror. You can also use like a little compact mirror, however you want. Look down. Oh, I can't use this one. This one's like kind of big. I'm just gonna get a compact. You look down into a mirror. Down. You look down, you can see up your nose, you can like barely see your eyes because you just see underneath the lashes. You want to look at the mirror so you can see underneath your lashes, right? So you go ahead, you take that, you hold it. I like to hold it in the middle. You can use a tweezer if you have very long nails, or if you're not like, I personally like using my fingers, but sometimes if my nails are too long, or if I'm like really trying to get in somewhere, I'll use tweezers, and I'll just hold the tweezers like, I'll just hold it right in the middle like this with the tweezers. Regular tweezers, you don't need fancy lash tweezers, you know, whatever. But you hold it like this. I like holding it with my fingers because I feel like I have a better grip on it. I look down and I place it literally right on top of my lashes, very close to the skin, and I just press it right down, just lightly. Just like so. You want to make sure it's going on there. Nice. So one thing that I didn't do that you should do is put some mascara on your lash beforehand. That way you're not putting mascara on afterwards and getting it on the lash, making, like, decreasing the life of the lash. So put it on beforehand. You don't have to go crazy with the mascara, just enough for it to just blend in with the other lashes. If you are doing mascara with it, just try to get it on your own lashes and not on the ends of the other lash. I'm just going to go ahead and look down. Just wanted to share with you guys how it looks like. This is a very unflattering position, but it'll do the job. So when you're placing your lash, look down into your mirror and you can hold the lash in your hand like I showed you guys and just place it right on top of your lashes that are right under here. And this is the view that you're gonna see. It's super unflattering, I apologize, but literally this is the view. And pop these right on top. Just let it sit there, that way it can adhere and dry a little bit better, but you don't wanna touch it too much. Until after a couple minutes, and you can just kind of push it in and really get it in there. That's it. That's how you apply false lashes. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure when you are wearing false lashes, you go ahead and you put bottom lash mascara on, because that's hella important. And yeah, I'm gonna come back with my whole entire finished look and share it with you guys. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell button for notifications, and make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Reesiibabe and at ReesMUA, and I will talk to you guys in another one. See ya.